Hey guys, what's up? I'm back. This is Ash with Ash Media, and I haven't been making videos very long, but yeah, I was a bit lazy. But today I'm back with another interesting topic. If you like videos like this, please don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button so when I make more videos like this, you guys will be notified first. So today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. So basically, for those of you that don't know what's Bitcoin, Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency. I think it started around in 2009. People who invested in 2009, in 2010, just even investing 20 or $30 are now millionaires. That held it up until this time. Definitely. So, as you know, Bitcoin surged very high this year. As you can see, this is Bitcoin's chart. Let me zoom in. Let me zoom in. So, this is Bitcoin's chart. If you look, this was the highest price in 2017. As you can see, it broke that high, and it kept on going, and it's still going. It's already at $40,728, which is like 600 in rands. It's like 600 and something thousand. So yeah, Bitcoin is still. I see Bitcoin. I have faith in Bitcoin. It will reach maybe around 150 to $200,000 just in this coming year, which is not impossible. It's like maybe another maybe a 300% more growth or 400% more growth, and it will be at 200 or just over 200,000. So let me show you what I made. I didn't invest a lot. So I remember in 2018, Bitcoin was at like $2,000, and I had the money to buy Bitcoin, but I don't know why I didn't do it. I didn't trust it at the time. Not that I didn't trust it. I didn't trust it that it was gonna go up, but now it's giving wonderful results. So as you can see, this is what I invested. So was 1,000 and something, and you can see my money grew more than 100%. It grew from 1,000 and something rand to like 12,865. So I know, guys, some guys will say it's impossible. So guys, remember, this is compounded. So if you put, for example, 5 rand. First month is 100%, which is okay. Let's say $5. First month it's 100%, which is $10. The next month it's going to be compounded on your previous 100%, which will be now $20, and it will compound. It will like multiply. So that's the power of compound interest. Many people think getting like 100%, getting even 10% a month is little. It's not. It's compounded. When you say getting 10% a month, you are wrong. It's compounded. So as you can see here, it say I made 43%, but this is because I withdrew and I put my money back, because I waited for Bitcoin to come but down and I put my money back. So, but as you can see, my growth here, it's been doing quite well. I'm gonna leave this money here. Like I say, Bitcoin, I predicted to reach $200,000 this year. I have faith it's gonna reach that price. But I think Bitcoin is going up because of companies are investing in Bitcoin, really, really pushing the price up. They're really pushing the price up. But I think it's a good idea to invest in Bitcoin now, because according to the data and the results, it looks like there's no stopping for now. Some people say the price could fall because maybe it's because these guys are pushing the price up too high, but it's actually a good idea. But other than it, there's other coins. Ethereum done well. Ethereum actually done like 800% this year, which is great. Imagine the bank doesn't even give you 20% a year. So imagine Ethereum. So yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys. Comment what you guys think about Bitcoin. I'm not an expert. I'm just a trader. I read off charts. I don't go deep into anything. I just had faith that Bitcoin is gonna pick up last year, so I put my money in Bitcoin. I didn't put a lot, but remember, this money can turn into a lot if I leave it, because I have faith that Bitcoin will reach like 200,000, and then it will play around there, go little down. Once Bitcoin reaches a price, it's definitely coming back to that price. It's been repeating and repeating the same patterns if you look at monthly. on the chat. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you. Happy New Year and enjoy your New Year.